Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to sign up for Grindr in 2025 and keep getting a registration error, don't worry. I will walk you through the possible causes and how to fix them step by step. First of all, we have to know this, understand why it's happened. A Grindr registration error can happen for a few reasons. You are under 18, Grindr blocks account for minors and you have been banned before, then you are using a VPN or unsupported reason, there's a temporary server or network problem. Knowing the reasons will help you pick the right fix. So first of all, then you have to next step check your internet connection. So first make sure your internet connection is stable, then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then restart your router or phone networks, turn aeroplane mode on, wait 10 seconds, then off again, and then register again. So here is the informations are given. This page how to fix registration error on Grindr troubleshooting. So here you can see, make sure you are in a supported region. If Grindr isn't allow countries registration zero, when you are trying to create an account, you may be able to install a VPN or to fake your location to get around this. And Grindr is restricted by this government in these countries, but a VPN may work. Here you can see this, the country name, the China, Indonesia, Jordan, Pakistan, Qatar, Saudi Arab, Turkey, United Arab Emirates. And Grindr will usually not work with a VPN in these countries due to sanction. Crimea, Cuba, North Korea, Sudan, Syria, and now here you available in this browser, and here is you can write your email and password, then different email address or sign up methods, then Apple ID or Facebook login. Then if you see maximum number of accounts, this Grindr account using the emails, and you have entered create an account with new email address or tap forget. If you forget password on the sign in screen to result, then the available in your browser, how was your connections internet, yes, disconnected from your VPN. If you are using VPNs to create an account, Grindr may have banned the VPN's IP address due to another person's actions. Then here you can see this, the get in touch and submit a request to Grindr. Take a screenshots. Here you can see this of the registration error message. Write down the time and date of the error and your current IP address. To get your IP address, go to this website and in your web browser go to Grindr registration error support form. All the processes are given in this here, other registration fixes. Then follow this step, you can easily solve this problem. Here you can see this, the birth date, check the age you entered, and force closed Grindr and restart it. Here you can see. Then after you restart your phone, then if you're using an Android, don't add Grindr to secure folders. All the processes are given here. Hope you are enjoying this video and don't forget to subscribe the channels.